Hello everyone, today I have a nice integral question. Let's solve it together. This is actually a classic type of integral problem. We've even solved a similar one in this channel before, which was part of an Oxford admission test. We're told that a is a positive number, and we're given a definite integral. The question asks us to find the value of a. Let's move the question to the left side and work on the solution on the right. The important thing to notice here is that a is a constant. The integral is taken with respect to x, so a can be pulled out of the integral as it is. We'll just integrate the part with x. So let's rewrite the expression accordingly. All I did here was write the square root of x as x to the power of 1/2. Now to integrate this, in the first part, since a is constant, we just bring it out front. For x, we increase the exponent by 1 and divide by the new exponent. In the second part, square root of a is again a constant, so we take it outside. For x, again we increase the exponent by 1 and divide by the new exponent. Now let's plug in the upper limit, which is 4. We get 16a over 3 plus 16 square root of a over 2. For the lower limit, which is 1, we get 2a over 3 plus square root of a over 2. Now look, on the left we have 16a over 3, and on the right we subtract 2a over 3. That leaves us with 14a over 3. In the same way, we have 16 times square root of a over 2 on the left, and we subtract square root of a over 2 from the right. So we're left with 15 times square root of a over 2, and we're told that the total result is equal to 59a over 3. If we want to combine everything under a common denominator of 6, we get 28a plus 45 times square root of a is equal to 118a. Subtract 28a from both sides, and we're left with 45 times square root of a is equal to 90a. Now divide both sides by 45, and we get square root of a is equal to 2a. Squaring both sides gives us a equals 1 over 4. So the correct answer is option A. It was a relatively straightforward question. I hope everything was clear. See you in the next lesson.